Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A18 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the option display and brightness. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down to find auto screen off, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, and usually the 30 seconds option is set by a default. At the bottom of the list, on the other hand, we've got the longest option, which is 30 minutes. So all we have to do in order to set and change the screen off is to simply tap on the option. So I will pick 1 minute maybe, and that was a misclick. I wanted 1 minute, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 1 minute of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.